Ready to fund your Crypto.com account directly from your bank? In this video, I'll show you the secure process of linking your bank account for easy deposits and withdrawals in your local currency. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Connecting your bank account creates a seamless bridge between traditional banking and the crypto world, making it easy to move funds when you need to. Let's set it up safely and efficiently. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to the banking section. Tap Transfer or Banking from the bottom menu. Then select Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account to begin the process. Crypto.com uses secure third-party providers like Plaid to connect to your bank. You'll see a list of supported banks. Simply find and select your financial institution from this verified list. You'll be prompted to log into your online banking through a secure portal. This allows Crypto.com to verify your account ownership without ever storing your banking login credentials. The connection uses bank-level encryption for maximum security. Once connected, you'll see your bank account listed in the Banking section. You can now use it to deposit funds via ACH transfer, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days to clear, depending on your bank. A crucial pro tip: start with a small test deposit to confirm everything is working properly. Also, make sure you're using a checking account rather than a savings account, as some banks restrict crypto transactions from savings accounts. And just like that, you've created a secure connection between your traditional bank and your crypto portfolio. This integration makes managing your finances across both worlds incredibly convenient. If this banking guide helped you bridge traditional and digital finance, please give it a like. Which feature are you most excited to use now that your bank is connected? Let me know in the comments below. For even faster funding options, subscribe for our next video on how to link a credit card to Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.